Welcome to our introduction to the DCKAP Integrator's decision tool. In this video, we will explore the decision tool, how it works, and where it can be used in the workflows. The purpose of the decision tool is to execute different blocks of code based on specific conditions. The Add option feature lets users set up different pathways, so you can add various conditions and run different blocks of code based on those conditions. When you select the Add Else option, the workflow will automatically execute a default action if none of the earlier conditions are met. Let's examine how the decision tool is applied in a workflow with an example. In this scenario, we aim to process orders that have been placed by a specific customer. This is where the decision tool comes into play. The decision tool offers three options. Option A verifies whether we received a successful API response from the source. It also checks if the customer data is valid and if the customer ID matches our specific customer ID. If these conditions are met, the workflow will follow option A and proceed to generate the order data in the destination system. Option B checks the validity of the status code to determine if the API response is successful, and it verifies whether we receive customer data and ensures that the customer ID does not match our specified ID. In this case, it will log the customer as invalid. If none of the previous conditions are met, if we don't receive any customer data, or if the API call fails. In that case, the default Else option will execute, logging the order record as a failure. So this is how you can use the decision tool in your workflows. Thank you. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.